Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which screen or window you will reduce and why. Knowing the final pixel dimensions or percentage makes the process precise. Once done, close background apps to free memory and avoid stuttering while you resize. Make sure to record current size or take a quick screenshot so you can revert if needed. Now open your display or app settings and locate the scale or resolution controls so you can make controlled, incremental changes without guessing. You should now change the scale or resolution step by step. Adjust by small increments such as 1% or a few pixels, and observe how UI elements respond. As you tweak, check readability, touch targets, and layout. If icons overlap or text truncates, reverse the last step. Make use of app-level zoom when system scaling is too coarse, and employ hotkeys or third-party resizing tools to input exact width and height values for a repeatable result. You finish by verifying the new size across the apps you use most and saving the layout or exporting settings if the system supports it. Once everything looks correct, restart the display session or reboot the device to ensure drivers and compositors apply changes consistently. If UI elements misalign or performance suffers, revert to your backup size, then update graphics drivers or try alternative scaling methods. A single quick rollback often resolves issues and keeps your workflow uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.